Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty weekly forecast for the coming week, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Coming week will be very crucial because of two things. First is 31st, the FOMC decision will come, and on first we have the Union budget, which market awaits every year. Now, going into the Union budget, we have seen a very decent correction in the market. Nifty is almost down more than 1200 points from the top, and Bank Nifty almost 3000 points. Maximum fall has come in the last week only because of the Adani and Heidenberg saga which is going on. Now tomorrow, the Adani CFO will come on the TV at 8 a.m. The FPO price is at 13,112, which is like the price is almost 13% down. We don't know. I mean, the price can again come back to the FPO level because they have just released. I was just reading. They have released a 400 plus pages document which is answering the Heidenberg questions. I mean, point by point basis. So let's see how market reacts. But like we should be ready for all kind of conditions. So first thing is, if I look at the weekly chart, if you calculate, this is the ninth week of the correction. Ninth is considered a very important as per Gann analysis. So if I mean if he starts going about trading above around 17,850 17,826 to 850 odd levels, then we can say that the correction is over and market is heading higher towards 18,000 and 18,250 odd levels. Why 17,826 is basically the 50% point of the retracement, and on Friday the prices come back to the golden ratio of 61.8, and if you consider Gann 62.5, it is almost to that level, and it closed above 17,576. So it's first sign of reversal, but for this correction to get over, a price has to go above 17,827. And weekly, prices come back between middle of this band, so probably it will try to come to this band at least 17,900 odd levels, for the next two trading sessions. Now why is that? Because last month low was 17,774, and this month open is 18,131. Two numbers which you need to keep an eye on. If 17,774 is crossed, then probably we will, I mean, this lower low will get negated, and if it closes above 18, around 18,100 to 18,131 by 31st of January, which is just two trading sessions, it will be very you'll form a doji candle on a week on a monthly chart, which is also a kind of positive sign that the fall can come to an end. But let's see how it goes, and watch out for 3 p.m. candle on 31st January. You will see some big move, at least 100 points in Nifty and 200 to 300 points in Bank Nifty. Why I say so is basically, if you open the Panchang, and if you look at 31st I think is Dashmi. If I go to January, this is the Panchang, and 31st is January, 10th. So this generally leads to a positive move, but watch out for that 3 p.m. candle. You will see some very at least 100 points move in Nifty very easily. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. Again, same thing. It is approaching, 40,000 is what I will consider very crucial for Bank Nifty. And on weekly, again, almost 9 weeks of correction is still there, and price is back to this support zone of AF. And on monthly, the Bank Nifty is bearish on a monthly chart as compared, and forming an evening star pattern also. Last month low was 41,569, a level to be watched out for, and it has closed just at the support zone of 4320, so probably it can attempt 43,653. The open was around 43,000, so that's out of context, but so basically 41,569, an important level to be watched out for. Now from Astro perspective, like to first is Mercury is reaching its maximum elongation, which is happening tomorrow. And if you can see, whenever it happens, generally you see either a good fall or a good rally in the market. See, it may, made a top, a good fall. It kind of made a bottom, from there a good rally. So this is one thing, and Venus ingress exact bottom, and from there good rally. So this is one thing. Second thing is we are seeing, base rule 27 also, which leads to some major tops and bottoms formation. The Mercury with base coming together, I mean that's a lethal combination. So if you are an intraday trader, just watch out for first 15-minute high and low for tomorrow, and you might get the trend of the whole day. Now quickly let's look at the supply and demand forecast. Price is back to the trendline support. So above 17,607, 17,761, 921 is what I'm watching out for. And below that 17,421 is a strong support zone. And this is for Bank Nifty, which looks quite weaker as compared to Nifty. So 4643 is a level. Above that 4819. If it closes above 4819, it can go all the way towards 41,527. Now let's look at I mean the moving averages which I generally see. So 17,950, this zone is between 17,950 to 18,250. So first market has to go above 18,000. Then we can think about these levels. And the budget reversals are quite sharp. So the rally can start from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the fall can continue because it can continue all the way towards 289 if this breaks Friday's low. So be open to both the options and try to trade with hedge, so at least you don't lose. Don't trade naked in these markets. The markets are moving quite wildly now. And let's quickly look at Bank Nifty also. So 41,588 is that 100-day moving average, and the fall has been quite sharp, so probably the bounce back will be also be quite sharp because there is a event here. So and let's quickly look at the Gann angles in Bank Nifty. Yes, here it is. Yes, so this will give you a very good perspective. So basically above 4450, the rally can move to 41,853, 41,259, 41,666, 42,075 and 42,486. And below 40,000, like I told, 40,000 is very important. Below that 39,650, 39,252, 39,857. And let's look at the neural forecast also, because neural is showing some very decent picture. So this is neural, and it shows that we have made a bottom on 27th and we are seeing a very sharp rally all the way towards 2nd of February. I mean, this is what it is showing. Don't blindly believe it. uh, don't blindly go long. I mean, let the levels which I've told you, let it come. But yes, neural is showing some, very big reversals in Nifty. And let's look at Bank Nifty also. Again, it exactly showed on 27. We have made a bottom, and from there we can rally all the way towards 6th with small downtrend. I mean, small corrections, but next 2 to 3 days we are seeing a sharp reversal in the market. Let's see how far it holds. It works only 60 to 70% of the time. Don't blindly go by it. But it gives you I mean, if the levels are also confirming, it gives you enough confidence to go ahead and take the trade confidently. So Nifty also, if I look at this thing, yeah. So 17,538 is done. So probably, like I told you, 17,804. So probably first thing is let the market come above. um 1774. The Nifty has closed at 17,604. So 17,777, which was last month low. After that, we will see a sharp move towards these levels, which is around. Let me just quickly show you. 17 above 17,804, 18,072, and 18,341. It is what it is showing. So let's see, and below 17,538 a fall towards 17,274, which is again your 200-day moving average, also around 17,289. So it's quite clear, quite evident. We have discussed about, I think, Astro perspective, Gann perspective, everything is done. So let's see, the levels are clearly mentioned. Watch out for tomorrow's first 15 minutes high and low, and trade light till budget, because if the reversal comes, it will be very sharp. I mean, based on my experience, near budget the reversals are very sharp. You will not get a chance to enter also, the way the markets will move. So trade cautiously, and let's see what market has in place. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined. Best wishes.